Another example of this is in Steve Jobs in the same year, in 2009. So Steve Jobs is really known for having done this a lot when he's doing product launches. He often ends with one more thing, and he brings out a surprise. And this was a product launch when he was introducing the MacBook Air, the really small, lightweight, thin laptop put out by Apple. And so what he does is he brings out an inner office envelope and then opens it up, and inside is this laptop to suggest just how light, just how agile, just how impressive this laptop is. That an ordinary thing, like an inner office memo, you could fit an entire powerful computer into. So another way to think about this idea of being unexpected, which I think Steve Jobs and Bill Gates negotiate really, really well, is include a little mischief in your presentation. Just the sense of creativity and cleverness. Now, with the problem-solving initiative, we say that you have to clear your mischief by Alicia Davis, who's the Dean of Strategic Initiatives. We don't want any of the students coming out with mosquitoes that have malaria, as we have big people in the room. But I do encourage you to think about, how can I do something a little bit unexpected so long as it's convincing?